In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a graph in Google Sheets. This is a straightforward process that allows you to create visual representations of your data, which can be crucial for presentations, reports, or simply gaining insights from your numbers. Let's dive into the process step by step. To get started, you'll need to head over to Google Sheets. This can be done by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Google Sheets website. Once there, make sure you're signed into your Google account. If you're not signed in, you'll be prompted to do so. This ensures that all your work is automatically saved and accessible from any device with your Google account. Next, you'll want to open the spreadsheet that contains the data you'd like to visualize. You can either create a new sheet or work with an existing one alongside any data already inputted. Once you have the sheet open, take a moment to identify the specific data set you want to transform into a chart. It's important to be clear about the data you're working with to ensure the graph accurately represents it. Now, let's highlight all the data you wish to include in your chart. This means clicking and dragging over the cells that contain your data to select them. Be sure to include both the labels and the corresponding values, as Google Sheets will use these to generate a clear and informative chart. With the data highlighted, look towards the top of the screen. You'll see a menu bar, and from here, click on the Insert option. This will open a drop-down menu with various items that you can insert into your spreadsheet. Look through this list and select Chart. By selecting this option, Google Sheets will automatically begin to create a chart based on the data you've highlighted. In just a moment, you'll see a chart appear on your spreadsheet. Google Sheets provides suggested charts that are tailored to best represent your data. You have the flexibility to customize the chart type and other settings to fit your specific needs. Simply click on the chart to open the chart editor, where you can adjust the chart type, labels, and other elements to refine how your data is displayed. And there you have it, a chart automatically created in Google Sheets representing your selected data visually. This tool is incredibly useful for quickly turning raw numbers into comprehensible visual information, and you'll find it invaluable whether you're preparing for a complex presentation or simply exploring your data further. Give it a try and start visualizing your data in a whole new way.